welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited you're back. I have some exciting news. I have finally reached 100 subscriptions. I've never been more happy. I've never been more proud. And I just want to say thank you so much to every single one of you that has subscribed and that keeps coming back, liking, commenting, and just supporting my channel and my little journey. Today's video is a quick tutorial on how I achieved this full coverage, blemish-free makeup look. I use this makeup look almost every single time I go out. I also use this way of applying makeup on my clients. So if you'd like to know how I achieve this type of coverage all the time and all the times that I need my makeup to basically stay in place, whether it's for gym, whether it's for the whole day, an event, come sunshine, come rain, this face is not going anywhere until I physically remove it, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Well, I'm actually going to be asking some questions on my Instagram, so follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be giving away some products for the people who are subscribed, who answer correctly, and who just have fun. Thank you again so much and enjoy. First thing you need to do is prep your skin. Make sure you've got a primer that is suitable for your skin type and your skin issues. So if you are prone to shining, make sure the primer that you have says something like long lasting, oil free, keep me matte. I've already primed my face. I always let my primer chill for at least a minute or two before doing the next step. The next step of my perfect blemish free full coverage foundation is using a concealer. I know I'm saying concealer before foundation, Whitney, but this is the secret of making sure you cover all these uglies, all the parts where you are probably breaking out or you have discoloration. Using the concealer before your foundation is a form of color correcting. So we color correct first with the concealer. You can choose to go light or dark, it doesn't really matter. You can even use a color corrector. I just literally apply the concealer everywhere that I have a blemish. Now the trick in doing this step is that blend out the concealer just yet. You let your concealer chill for another minute or two, let it dry out a little. As it is drying out, you are basically increasing the coverage and ensuring that your blemish, the product in itself is the coverage of it is fully optimized. So I like to let the concealer sit. The concealer has chilled on my face for a while, like a couple of minutes. I then go with a dampened blending sponge and I blend out the places that I concealed. This process of me letting the concealer sit first and then doing my foundation is not an everyday process. Please don't get me wrong. You cannot always conceal or cover up your blemishes. I think it's unrealistic. I'm cool with the blemish popping out here and there. Sometimes I just go a week without even wearing any makeup. So don't get it twisted. I do not do this every day. The next part of this full coverage, blemish-free foundation process is my favorite, my ride or die, the yin to my yang, the peanut butter to my jam, the salt to my pepper, apple cider vinegar to my extra virgin olive oil is my Revlon Colorstay Foundation. I love this foundation. I absolutely love it. I reach for it every single day and I make sure I use it up before I throw it away. I love this foundation. I love the buildable coverage. I love the price point. I love the shade range. I love it so much. I've got my replacement here. Don't get it twisted. So I just basically put my foundation all over my face. Get it on there. The thing I'm gonna do is just add a little bit more of this concealer. As you can see, it's also almost gone, and I refuse to like say goodbye until it's like done. So I'm putting just a little bit more concealer on the places that I feel after some time might get a little bit exposed if my makeup wears off, which honestly, if you are using the Colorstay, Revlon Colorstay, your makeup is going nowhere. Whether you're going to gym, whether you're going swimming, whether you're going to an outdoors event, your makeup is not going anywhere. Like, this is what I love about the Revlon Colorstay. The next part that I do is an exciting part. It is highlighting. I love this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I use the color 45. Absolutely lovely. It's lighter. It's about 2 shades lighter than my foundation, and I use this lighter shade to basically highlight. Also, when I highlight, I keep it not further than my eyebrows or my eye, and I keep it in a very tight triangle, like a super tight triangle. When I set my face, I love this next product. It is the Essence All About Matte Fixing Powder, and I take a nice fluffy brush. I usually use one a little bit smaller, but my brushes are dirty, but I set under my eyes. This is an excellent way to set your concealer so that your concealer stays in VIP. Your concealer needs to stay in VIP area, not general access. No. Don't know about you, but I'm very cliquish. I enjoy spending time with people that help me thrive and prosper. One of those people that help me thrive and prosper and remains a constant in my clique is my Revlon Colorstay powder, pressed powder. Listen, the combos do not lie. The combination does not lie. These were made to be together. We belong together. Who's gonna we belong together. With whatever's left on my brush, I'm just going to add a little bit of that powder into the places that I've just lightly set with that Essence powder. Then, once that is done, I love applying a contour powder. The contour powder that I love and I feel brings out the most of, like, brings out a better complexion in my process, my foundation process, is this Black Radiance True Contour Palette, True Complexion Contour Palette. Listen to me. This is how much I love it. This is how much I love it. Don't judge me. I know it's my thing and I know I'm supposed to replace it. I have replaced it. But just like the liquid foundation, the Colorstay foundation, there's still a lot there. I'm gonna look for the hollows of my cheek. This is what you do. You look for the highest point in your cheekbone. So you basically look for your cheekbone. Here is your cheekbone, and you are gonna contour just below your cheekbone. And you are gonna contour in an upwards direction. Do not pass your pupil. You can even squeeze in. When you contour, don't forget your jawline, just to get rid or erase your double chin. And if you have a nice skinnier brush, dip your brush into that, tap off the excess, and you can contour the sides of your nose. Now we are going to seal the deal and close this down. You need this. You know when they say you need an apple a day keeps the doctor away, whatever. Yeah, fixing spray every day keeps your makeup I know that doesn't rhyme, I don't care, but it works. It's just so important. Like, if you do not have patience for fixing spray, or you don't see the need, we can't talk. We can't talk. Stay subscribed, like my video, but that's it. Our relationship ends there. Melt all those powders away. Make sure it all gets locked in place so it goes nowhere, okay? I absolutely love, this is my third bottle of the RIMMEL Insta Fix and Go 2-in-1 primer setting spray. And the cool thing about this, it is oil free. So I'm back with my finishing touches, and this is the end of my perfect full coverage makeup. This is the process I would love for you guys to try out. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think, what products you like. Tell me what products maybe you using so I could possibly use them and give a review or two, and let me know down below. Thanks again for watching.